kid used to say Jalebi.
Kiss me.
Washing powder Nirma, washing powder Nirma. Apart from the sweat and the smell from the men, there is a lot of things.
What is your favorite old ad?
There's this ad where this kid used to say Jalebi. That one. I don't know what ad that was, but that.
I guess because it's summer, so the Glucon-D ad where we can literally feel that how the sun takes all our energy. So maybe that's my favorite ad.
Kiss me. So that one like really nice. You see a person is interacting with somebody, which is I don't like why he's holding the umbrella and like this chow wala stuff is all going on. So I don't understand that stuff, but still I like the song.
पापा की पतलून एक बिलांग छोटी कर दो. That 5-star ad. Ramesh Suresh wala.
Mine would be Dairy Milk ad, which was recently recreated. The girl dancing on the field once her boyfriend hits a six, the winning six.
The old ad must be like 5-star Suresh Ramesh, and I have done. There's a series of ads about that. I have seen a lot, so that would be my favorite ad.
Washing powder Nirma, washing powder Nirma. I think it's something that never goes out of the head. So yeah, that one. I think the Hero Motorcorp Hum Mein Hai Hero ad.
I think everyone's favorite is Amul Doodh Peeta Hai India.
Isko laga dala to light jingle ala. Nirma, washing powder Nirma.
I am trying to imagine the Videocon ad with those horns on the head. It's a pretty old ad. Yeah, that was one of my favorite ads.
Amul butter. What's the most annoying thing for women in summer?
Everything makes me annoyed in summer. Yeah, if there's no AC, basically feel the heat.
Maybe the feeling to like you have to dress up, but you're also about to sweat, and you also have to carry your makeup, and yeah, maybe this.
Apart from the sweat and the smell from the men, there is a lot of things. Traveling is also a very big.
Yeah, that too about hair because I have a long hair. To getting hair wet in summer, and also about the dresses sometimes. Sometimes you want to wear a winter clothes in summer, but you can't. That's the way. That's very difficult.
Wearing a bra, it gets really annoying. I think it's the hair. It just gets too sticky, too greasy, and there's nothing you can do about it. I mean, I can't go bald every day, but yeah.
I think there are a lot keeping makeup on because have to redo it again and again.
Wearing a bra, I can just do the action. Periods.
In summer?
Yeah.
Of course, the heat. Can you give us a hack that makes your life better? Just do whatever you are doing, do it with confidence.
Want to achieve something, then you should read books.
I listen to music whenever I feel sad. I listen to old songs also, so that makes me feel good.
Dancing your heart out. So that is something that makes my life very much happy.
Take the things easy. Just let it go. Don't take it to your head.
I think my answer to everything is dancing at this point. If I'm happy, if I'm sad, overwhelmed, it's like my favorite outlet.
I think you just have to take it easy. Whatever comes your way, just take it easy.
Walking in nature. Having my girlfriends around to guide me. If you can just pan the camera to them, they look really nice there. So yes, that.